It's everywhere you swim, sail, or surf. But have you ever asked yourself, why is the ocean salty? It's a question that has intrigued scientists and curious minds alike for centuries. The ocean's saltiness is one of its most defining characteristics, yet the source of this salt is not immediately obvious. And what if I told you the ocean holds enough salt to bury entire continents under 5 feet of it? That's right. The sheer volume of salt in the ocean is staggering. Not all water is salty. In fact, most of the water we encounter in our daily lives is freshwater. Rivers and lakes, they're freshwater. These bodies of water are crucial for drinking, agriculture, and sustaining life on land. But the oceans? They're salty. This difference in salinity is what makes the ocean unique and supports a diverse range of marine life. So, where does all that salt come from? The answer might surprise you. If rivers aren't salty, then why is the ocean? The journey of salt to the ocean is a fascinating process that begins far from the sea. The answer lies in rocks. Yes, the very rocks that make up mountains and landscapes. When rain hits rocks, it breaks them down. This process, known as weathering, is a key part of the Earth's natural cycle. Rainwater is slightly acidic, so it dissolves minerals, including salt. These minerals are then carried away by streams and rivers. Over time, the rivers transport these dissolved minerals to the ocean. That sprinkle of sea salt on your fries? It started as a mountain rock millions of years ago. The journey from rock to table is a long and intricate one. Now let's follow the journey of that dissolved salt. Imagine a single grain of salt making its way from a mountain stream to the vast ocean. Rivers carry tiny amounts of salt to the ocean. Each river contributes its own small share, but together they add up. Over millions of years, this adds up to a massive accumulation. The ocean becomes a repository for all this salt. Oceans don't evaporate salt, just water. This is a crucial part of the water cycle. That's why it builds up over time. The salt remains behind as the water evaporates and returns as fresh rain. It's a one-way trip for salt into the ocean, and there it stays. This process has been happening for billions of years. Check out these salty stats. The amount of salt in the ocean is mind-boggling. If you dried up the oceans, the salt left behind could cover all land on Earth in a 5-foot layer. Imagine walking on a world covered in salt. That's over 500 million billion tons of salt. It's an almost unimaginable quantity. It's the world's biggest salt shaker, and it's underwater. The ocean is a vast and salty reservoir, but there's a balance to nature. The ocean's salinity is maintained through a delicate equilibrium. Oceans are in salt balance. Inputs from rivers and volcanic vents match the slow outputs. This balance is crucial for maintaining the health of marine ecosystems. Marine life has adapted to these salty conditions. Many species rely on the ocean's salinity for survival, and salt levels help drive ocean currents and ecosystems. These currents are vital for distributing nutrients and supporting marine life. Here's a quick question for you. Have you ever wondered what would happen if the ocean suddenly lost its salt? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts and theories. Fascinated by how the world works? There's so much more to discover about our planet. Don't miss our episode, How Do Waves Form in the Ocean? Waves are another fascinating aspect of the ocean's behavior. And if this video made you think, give it a like and share the salty science love. Your support helps us bring more exciting content to you.